If I pick this best, what do I got? I forget what I was using on these. I think this will work. Best fucking... I guess they're like drawer locks. Oh yeah, this one might be messed up, I forget. This one feels like it's either missing a pin or something. I have not done anything with this specific one since I got it. It really feels like it's like falling into... Yep. Got it to, whatever. That one. Just like that. The best. So there you go. Interchangeable core. But I do believe... I mean, there's the pin stack. It's supposed to be a 6-pin lock. But to me, are you gonna see it? It looks like it's missing either at least the first 2 pins on this one. Maybe just one. It's tough to tell. Definitely missing at least the first one. So it might only be a 4-pin lock. Honestly, that one in the back kind of looks like a serration, not a, unless that's just how it's cut. It doesn't look like it's cut. It looks... I don't know, it could be a shear line. Could be a serration. Can't tell. But there we go, best